Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a mask effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first, you have your HTML. Have the CSS and the JavaScript. CSS index.js, and then you can make a div id is equal to mask. Now what I can do is I can write hashtag mask. I can set the mask image to radial gradient. Now I'm not going to set the mask image, but I'm going to create a h1 inside of it, and I'll make the h1 inside of it to be I'll set its width to the width of the screen 100 svw and height to the height of the screen 100 svh, and set the background color to black. And the index.js, I am going to write mask equals document equals get element by id mask. So anyways, once I do that, I can write window.onMouseMove to E, write mask dot style dot mask image is equal to radial gradient bracket circle at 50%. Wait, no, at $e dot client x px the $ e dot client y px. So anyways, now I'm going to write transparent 10%, comma black 5%. And I can copy the link of this HTML and paste it here. And now you see we have this. You might be wondering what's so special about this effect. Well, is that this is a mask effect. We can use it to mask things, you know. Like, for example, if I write hello. Wait, where's the hello gone? Now I'll set this to black. And I'll set this to transparent. Oh yeah, and also did. Wait, no, it has no text in it. Hello. Text align center. Now you see that. Now you see that we have this kind of cool reveal effect. Now I can set the font size to 20 rem to make it bigger. Save. I can set the font size to 10 rem to make it bigger. I can set the margin to 0. and then I can center it. I could go to hashtag mask, display grid, place item center, if I remember correctly. Move text align center, and I'll set the height to 100 SVH. There we go. Now it's centered. I'll go to the body. I'll set the body to background color. To color picker again. Use a more blue color. Copy. Background color, and I'll paste this. I'm going to use the brightness, copy, also the color to this, and increase the font size, because that's always the optimal thing to do. Not only is that, I am going to I am going to give it a box shadow, a text shadow I meant. 0.010px 0 3px 0 RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. Yeah, let me move it more down. Let me increase the size of this. I'll set this to 60%. %. For px. So anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.